Hi, it's Gagajoy, and welcome to Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making pinwheels, and it's as you see, there's four different kinds. I've got 4 different kinds. I don't know if I call them Doritos shells, taco shells, either one. And I'm going to be also making a sausage pinwheel. I tried to get them in the colors of fall, orange, green, and a little, was this cilantro?
No, it was lemon.
Lemon. So
you got lemon, chili, and spinach.
Okay. Well, first of all, I've got to cook my sausage. All you do is just cook the sausage. We're going to put cream cheese with it. Then you put it in the with crescent rolls. Yep. I don't know. My mouth is 2 minutes in front of my brain here anymore. And now this is cream cheese, and I'm gonna let it be softening up a little bit while the sausage is cooking. And this is Jimmy Dean sausage, so it's not real fatty. So that's usually the kind I get, but this is just plain sausage. I love the hot sausage, but not everybody can eat a hot sausage, so we went for just the regular hot sausage. It seems to me like we had something else to this. As you see, there's not any grease at all. If I get Jimmy Dean's for breakfast, I have to add oil, shortening or something to it, because there's even not enough to make sausage gravy. So it's wonderful to do something like this with. Okay, now our sausage is done, but I'm going to have to let it rest a little bit. And I've got to tell you, this is jalapeno, and it is a little hot, and it is so good that I think you're going to love it. Put a little bit of mustard on it. Now, you could put any condiment that you want. Mustard, we like sriracha, but it's, up to you. I thought this would be nice. Most people can't have Halloween this year, so people will probably be visiting on Halloween evening, so this would just be a perfect little snack. Sort of shake it up and put the things you want. Okay, now let's see. Let's use the Colby Jack cheese. Put it here and here. And this is turkey. And I have found, I've made these before, and I'll tell you a little trick. You don't put them on top of each other. If you roll them and you're eating them, you don't know they're not on top of each other, but this way they roll prettier and they don't, burst a little bit. Just start it off, roll it, roll it, roll it. Now I'm going to put them on here, and I'm going to wait to cut them so that they'll sort of conform to what we just did. Okay, this one is the lemon. Okay, we're going to do Provost cheese and ham. This is Black Hills ham. Let's see. Should we put mustard or mayonnaise? Let's put a little bit of mayonnaise on this one. Should have put it first, but this will work out fine. Okay, and let's put this lettuce on it. Some romaine lettuce on this one instead of the spinach. And again, just put them over here and let them set for a little while. Let's do the green one. That looks pretty. It's so good on anything. And I'm gonna put this on it. This is gonna be my roast beef.
And what's that called?
It's sweet baby ribs. And roast beef. I'm gonna put sauerkraut on this one, like a Reuben. Let me dry it off just a little bit. Okay. And of course, Swiss cheese with this one. This will be my favorite.
So you put the stuff on one side or the other, right?
Yeah, I put it on one side. You can put it, but it actually turns out perfect. So we'll go with this one. And we'll set it right here. And I'll do two more, a couple more. You see how my sausage is doing. It's doing good. Okay, let's go turkey with mayo. You may have a combination of, different kinds of condiments. And as you see, you can use anything you want. You don't even have to use anything that I do, but it's so good to do them this way. This is, let's go with the Provolone cheese. And let's do the It's always good to keep spinach. I use spinach in so much. I love it to just, anytime you're making pasta, it's wonderful. Okay, I think we got that. Now let's go for a roll. This is the jalapeno roll. Put it right here. And before I go any further, I'm going to do my sausage and cream cheese. See? It is right up. Now, let's get our
Crescent rolls.
I'm telling you, I just quit talking. I get thinking about what I'm doing. That's what I said. My mouth is not keeping up with my brain here lately. And I don't know what to do about it. I do think, though. I'm gonna start rolling. You start it off small. Don't you just love crescent rolls? I mean, whoever invented crescent rolls had to have a mother or a wife or somebody he was thinking of when he did it, because it sure is a good filler in. We'll put a little bit of Pam on the bottom. And I'm going to cut it. Sort of set them up on the end. And the last one. Now, I've got the oven preheated to 375 for about 15 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on it. Okay, now we'll cut her a little. Usually you cut the first one off. See how pretty they are? I'm cutting about 1 inch a piece. You can cut them any size you want to. If you roll them first, I've noticed you don't have to put a toothpick in them. They sort of have that natural roll when you put it up. Okay, let's do our lime. Also, when you put these in the refrigerator, they'll set up even more, so by the time you're ready to serve them. This is the lemon, I guess, again.
That looks good.
Yeah, I think I'll put this over here. I think it'd be more eye-pleasing. Well, the crescents came out of the oven. They got to settle because of the cream cheese. But see how pretty they are? Let me taste a little bite of it. That's as good as you get. Well, we've had a wonderful time today, and I hope this will help you in the days ahead when we have vacations or company, whatever you use it for. But I can tell you they're all good recipes, and they are easy to make. I would like to ask something of you, that you subscribe and like our program. Share it with one of your friends. And that little bell there, ring it. That's the notifications. What that does is the next time we have a new recipe, it'll come to your feed. But I do wish you'd subscribe and leave me a note and ring the bell. Anyway, it's been a good day. We're going to sit down with something cold to drink and eat a little bit. But it was fun today, and we'll see you soon.